Have you ever wondered what happens to the old furniture you throw away? Instead of ending up in a landfill, much of it gets a second life through recycling. The process begins when discarded furniture arrives at a recycling factory, where powerful water jets remove dust and dirt. The furniture is then crushed into small wood chips before being ground even further into fine particles. During this stage, paint, glue residue, and other impurities are separated using vibrating screens. Next, the clean wood particles are mixed with eco-friendly, formaldehyde-free adhesive, along with curing, waterproofing, and stabilizing agents. The mixture is pre-pressed to remove trapped air, then transferred to a hot press. Under intense heat and pressure, it is transformed into strong, durable particle board. Afterward, each board is carefully sanded, polished, and inspected for quality. Any defective boards are recycled back into the production process, while approved boards are packaged and shipped for use in new furniture and construction. This efficient recycling system reduces waste, conserves natural forests, and gives discarded wood a valuable new purpose. If you enjoyed learning about this amazing recycling process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next fascinating factory tour. Let us know in the comments what manufacturing process you'd like to see next.